we go round the outside as we climb uphill. Can Quattro! What a start from the Brit, number 35, but Miller will take the inside line into turn 1.
Pit lane and saying it's raining.
We might have a delayed start here. The reason I say that is, yes, MotoGP is flag to flag, but if it was to absolutely tip down, they wouldn't see it as being safe to start everyone off on slicks.
The red flag there in the start tower on the right-hand side of your picture.
It's completely the right thing to do. Completely the right thing to do. You cannot start a race with everybody on slicks if it's about to team down with rain. Confirmation at the bottom of your screen, folks. Race Direction have called it a wet race. Riders can come in to swap for a dry bike at any moment. The green flag waves. We are underway in the French Grand Prix. A good start there, actually, from Jack Miller.
Oh, Rossi's
gone down.
Valentino Rossi's gone down mid-pack. It's another disaster for the doctor. It's a third successive DNF then for Valentino Rossi. Espargaro just can't shake off Fabio Quartararo. And at the moment, Joan Mir not really having any major influence in this Grand Prix. Quartararo, look at Oliveira.
2-in-1 from
He's
the
suffering
Tech 3
here.
man.
Yeah, Oliveira picked Fabio Quartararo up and Alex Marquez said thank you very much. He took both of them. So Quartararo's day might be getting worse, although Joan Mir here, second in the World Championship right now. But at the moment, nowhere near the point scoring places. Mir's going to try and get Quartararo here, look.
Prado's on for a brilliant one. Yeah,
Quartararo got in hot at Garage Vert.
Unbelievable. Quartararo then losing ground on Joan Mir. Mir and Quartararo scrap it out for, can you believe, ninth place.
Credit to Quartararo as well, because he's going to keep Viñales and Mir behind him. They are crucial World Championship points. The top 3 men in the championship come over the line together.
Look at Alex Rins as well. He's made up about 10 places already in the first few corners. Alex Rins, who's the fastest rider on the circuit. He just Rins challenges Pol Espargaro and moves up into 4th place. Brilliant from the Suzuki man, who started 16th on the grid.
Game on in Le Mans for Rins. Rins has made his move as he made it stick this time on Jack Miller into turn 3. So Miller back into 4th place. Rins now sets his sights on the 2 Italians ahead of him. Now Rins trying to get it back up the inside. Oh, Dobby was in. Oh, here comes Rins.
Oh, there's all contact everywhere. How has this happened? Miller puts his arm up. He's got to allow him back through.
Dovizioso got picked up by Rins and Miller on the inside.
Oh, Rins is down there as well! In 2nd place! Suzuki's dreams of winning here go up in smoke!
There's going to be no repeat then of Chris Vermeulen's heroics here 13 years ago. Rins down then at turn 3. We've seen that mistake so often down the years, and Alex Rins has crashed out of the podium.
A challenge for the lead there, Danilo Petrucci on Jack Miller. He's got it. Number 9, Danilo Petrucci, who was 3rd on the grid and won in Mugello. He's 3rd on the grid and leads here in France.
Fastest man on the circuit, Danilo Petrucci.
Danilo Petrucci with absolutely 0 to lose. Across the line, a good lap from Danilo Petrucci, who responds from the information he was getting regarding Alex Rins.
Dovizioso's made his move. Finally, Andrea Dovizioso has shown a front wheel to Danilo Petrucci. He's shown both wheels. Dobby picks up the baton now and leads here in France.
Here comes Petrucci. Danilo, and he's going to go a bit deep here. This is going to allow Miller in, and here comes Dobby again. The wily old fox goes through.
Rins trying to get it back up the inside. Oh, Dobby was in. Oh, here comes Rins.
Oh, there's all contact everywhere. How has this happened? Miller puts his arm up. He's got to allow him back through.
Petrucci's been absolutely awesome. He has been the man in Le Mans.
Take your hat off, take a bow. Danilo Petrucci has won the French Grand Prix, and it is an iconic result for him. Alex Marquez, confident. Brilliant move from the number 73. The Moto2 world champion moves up into 7th place. By the way, fastest rider on that last lap, guess who? Alex Marquez, again, the rookie, in 6th place. He's the only rider in the 144s.
Alex Marquez is on an absolute charge. He's just set the fastest lap of the race yet again, a 1:44.6.
Alex Marquez now up the inside of Pol Espargaro. Could we see a Repsol Honda win?
Alex Marquez with absolutely nothing to lose here. He's going to go for this. Andrea Dovizioso knows that these are precious World Championship points at stake for him, with Fabio Quartararo down in 8th right now.
Here he comes then, side by side, Alex Marquez with Andrea Dovizioso. That will give him the inside line into La Chapelle, but closing the door there is Dovizioso. The gap's back up to 1.8 and Marquez is through. He's up into second place.
Oh, how many times have we seen that for brother Mark? The Marquez father, Julian looking on.
Never ridden a MotoGP bike in the wet in a race before, Alex Marquez. This is just simply outstanding.
That's absolutely sensational.
What a race for Alex Marquez, his first ever MotoGP podium.
Ecstasy down.